So you may remember from another video that there was a Carrier Tech2000 at this house, but recently it has been replaced with the Trane XR, not sure what kind. And so what I'm gonna do today is that I'm gonna film a startup and shutdown just to see how this unit sounds and to see if it runs any better, because the reason why we replaced the Carrier was because last time we came here it wasn't working. So here it is. It's pretty new. I think we just got it this year, and yeah, it's from 2016. So now I'm gonna walk around here and I will place the camera right here so you can see it turning on, and now you can go turn it on. Now you just have to wait. Alright, so the air conditioner just turned on and now it's running, and it is so much quieter than the old Carrier. I remember the old Carrier had like noise problems, and yeah, although I am a bit disappointed because I like the sound of the old Carrier and it brings back memories, and I was gonna film a startup shutdown of it, but unfortunately things happened. But at least I got this unit, and I actually like it because it's so much quieter than the other one. Pretty much sounds like a train. This one is not as powerful as the other one. The fan is not spinning as fast. Oh yeah, it's unbelievable the noise level of this unit compared to the previous one. Can't really even hear it from here. Whoa. And now somebody needs to cut these trees here because that's like getting really messy. And I need to pull this stuff out of the air conditioner because that can actually break it. Oh dear. And casually chilling here, there's a caterpillar. Hello, caterpillar. Now they're ready. I miss the old Carrier though. Are you gonna turn it off now? Go turn it off. Now we're just waiting until it turns off. Now it just turned off. And I think, yeah. So that was the startup and shutdown of this new Trane air conditioner at our old house in Fairfax. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more air conditioner videos.